A floor jack is a tool that should be part of every garage's arsenal. Whether you need to change your oil, swap out a flat tire or perform some other repairs on your car or truck, a floor jack is worth the investment so that you always have it on hand. There are many products available to choose best floor jack, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Blackhawk B6350 Black Red Fast Lift Service Jack. Anyone looking for a quality floor jack for their truck or SUV should give the Blackhawk Fast Lift Service Jack some consideration. The jack features heavy-duty steel construction and a large swiveling saddle, making it a good choice for lifting overbuilt components. This jack also has 2 swiveling wheels for easy steering and a long handle with a rubber grip to make pulling it around a shop less of a labor. The large 4-inch saddle swivels, which can be a benefit when finding the perfect position from which to lift. It also has a fast lift feature, which allows the jack to reach the jacking point with just a few pumps, speeding up the lifting process. Number 2. Powerbuilt 3-ton all-in-one jack and jackstand. Home mechanics on a budget are always looking for versatile tools that will save them money. That's just what the Powerbuilt all-in-one does. This bottle jack and jackstand combination will lift a 6,000-pound vehicle while also converting to a jackstand to safely hold it in place. The Powerbuilt all-in-one has a lifting range between 11 inches and 21 inches, giving it plenty of range for almost any truck or SUV at factory height. It has a specially designed lift arm with multiple locking points for quick lifting and securing the jack in place. And at just 22 pounds, it's light enough to place in a trunk or a truck bed toolbox for roadside repairs. Number 3. Arcan 3-ton Quick Rise Aluminum Floor Jack. Arcan's 3-ton Quick Rise Aluminum Floor Jack is a lightweight upgrade worth checking out. This jack features aircraft-grade aluminum construction that weighs just 56 pounds. It also has a lifting range between 3.75 inches and 18 inches, giving this jack enough lift for most SUVs and light-duty trucks. There's also a counterweight pole that drops in place while jacking, preventing this jack from lowering on its own. This floor jack features dual pump pistons that make lifting the vehicle faster and easier. This jack has a rubber saddle pad for maintaining a sure grip on the jacking point, and it has a wide footprint for stability under load. Number 4. E-Heelp Electric Car Jack Lift Kit. The E-Heelp Electric Car Jack Kit has just about anything an SUV or truck driving motorist on the side of the road could need in a pinch. It features an electric jack, an impact wrench for loosening and tightening lug nuts, a flashlight, an air compressor, and some emergency tools. Both the electric jack and the air compressor run on the vehicle's 12-volt power. The electric jack has 5 tons of lifting capacity and a lifting range between just over 6 inches and just under 18 inches. While this jack does have heavy-duty lifting capabilities, the entire kit weighs just over 20 pounds. The jack also fits nicely in the small tool kit with the other tools, allowing users to store them underneath their truck seats or in the trunk of their SUV. Number 5. Big Red AT84007R Torin Hydraulic Floor Jack. Over the years, I've found the quality and performance of its equipment perfect for the average consumer. Competitive pricing is just a bonus. This jack brings a lift range of 4 to 20 inches to the table with a 4-ton weight capacity. Those 2 factors combined make for a jack that covers most applications in the average garage. This model also features a dual piston mechanism that makes for quick lifting and a built-in overload system in case you accidentally try to take on more than it can handle. Of course, it does have its downsides. While I personally have yet to run into any, quality control issues seem to be a bit of a concern for the brand. Also, the minimum height might be a little too high for some low-sitting applications.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.